Ladies and gentlemen, racing enthusiasts and aficionados of feline finesse, welcome! Today marks the culmination of an electrifying auto race where speed, skill, and a touch of whiskered wonder have captured our imaginations. Please join me in congratulating Team Meow Machine! Congratulations, Team Meow Machine. Winston, how does it feel to be hailed as the champion with your pet cat?
Well, maybe you should ask her. She's the one who drove.
Well, Carl, it's certainly gratifying. To win this race, it takes fast driving, precision, timing, and a key of understanding of aerodynamics.
How long have you two been training, Winston?
Oh, I'm too young to drive. I'm pretty much just the one who holds the snacks. I chose sour cream and onion potato chips today.
Fantastic. You really have earned this. Here's your gold cup.
Thank you, Carl. And thank you to everyone who believed in us, especially my partner, Winston. I learned a lot driving him to first grade every morning.
Well, congratulations once again to Team Meow Machine, the feline phenomenon that has made racing history today.